What are the best free affiliate networks in 2021? Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you my best affiliate networks, or can I say best affiliate program that you can go and join and you can start promoting their products, guys, in your niche, guys, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that, guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then go and read my ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid online affiliate marketing business. So go ahead and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, guys, right? So right now here, without any delay, let me show you what are the best free affiliate networks or affiliate programs that you can go and join and start promoting their product, guys. So guys, here, if you are into make money online niche, then yes, you can go with Work Plus. There you will find some of the products that you can go and promote. And yes, this program is absolutely free, guys, free to join. And yes, here one thing that you have to do, guys, before promoting any products, first you have to send the request to the product owner that yes, you are interested in promoting their products. And yeah, you have to give some little bit information about you, your experience. And when they think that yes, you are perfect guy to promote, then yes, they will approve you. And yes, when they approve you, you will find the link, affiliate link inside the Work Plus, and then you are ready to promote, guys, right? So yeah, you can go with Work Plus, right? It's a free affiliate program, or you can say free affiliate network, guys. And then second one is Jvzoo. Yes, if you want to promote some SaaS products or software products, so you can make a recurring commission, then yes, you can go with Jvzoo. It is also free program to join, guys. And yeah, process will be the same, guys. Yes, before promoting any product, first you have to send the request, and you have to submit your information. You have to tell about your experience, and when they think that yes, you are the right guy to promote their product, then yes, then they will approve you. Then you will find the affiliate link, guys, inside your Jvzoo membership area, guys, right? So yeah, you can go with Jvzoo, guys, if you want to promote. And Clickbank, yes, this is one of the biggest affiliate network, and here you will find almost every product in any niche, guys, right? So yes, if you want to promote any digital products, then yes, this Clickbank program is for you, guys. It is absolutely free, guys. You don't have to pay anything, guys, to promote Clickbank products, guys, right? So yep, you can go with Clickbank. And there is another program, that is ClickFunnels affiliate program. It is another one program, guys, that you can join for free. You don't have to pay anything, guys, right? And yes, here as you go with ClickFunnels, then yes, you can make commission up to 40%, right? A recurring commission, right? No doubt, there are some products that you can promote and you can make high ticket commission too. So yes, this is another free affiliate program, guys, that you can go and join, guys, right? So yes, to submit application, you can go with whatsyourdreamcar.com, guys. Whatsyourdreamcar.com. So yep, submit your information and check this box and create your account. Then you are ready to promote, guys, ClickFunnels affiliate product, guys, right? And yeah, yes, guys, now these are my 4 best free affiliate programs in 2021 that you can go and join, and you can start promoting affiliate product, guys, right? And just, guys, here again I would say, whatever platform you pick, whether it's a Work Plus, Jvzoo, Clickbank, or ClickFunnels, this is my recommendation, guys, or guys, my advice to you guys, that first you go with the product. I mean to say, first you use the product, and when you think that it's a good product to promote, then go and start promoting it, guys. Never ever promote any product that you are not using personally, guys. Guys, understand this. People buy because of the trust. So if you promote something that is crappy, guys, they will not come to you again. And what is business? Business is something where same people come to you again and again. This is business, guys, right? So yes, when you promote something crappy and you are not the actual user of the product, then guys, somewhere you will lose the trust, guys. No doubt you will make money, but you will lose the trust. And you know that when trust is gone, your business is gone, guys, right? So yes, that's why I always prefer, or I always say, guys, please first you go with the product, and when you find that yeah, it's a good product to promote, it will provide a real help, a real solution to your ideal customer, then yes, go and start promoting that very good product, guys. Right? So yep, guys, these are the 4 affiliate networks or 4 affiliate programs that you can go and pick, so you can make affiliate commission, or so you can make money, guys, online. Right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask a question, right? I will try my level best to answer you, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.